Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm your host TJ and today we are going to be unboxing the Thrustmaster TFlight Hotas One. So without further ado, let's get this unboxed. On the front of the box, you have a shot of the joystick as well as its compatibility with the PC and Xbox One. On the top of the box, you have a glimpse of the rudder pedals which can be purchased separately. On the right and left, you have some info on the joystick. You can pause and read it. On the back, you have a detailed overview of the joystick. Let's get this opened. You can be rest assured that your package will arrive safely. Here is the user manual. First up, this joystick has a long enough cable so you can either use it as two separate pieces or as one combined unit. If you do wish to join the units, the extra cable can be tucked neatly into the left side of the controller. I have to say, cable management is really impressive. The units can then be secured to each other by utilizing these two screws. There is also space to store the Allen key under the right joystick, so you won't lose it. Taking a look at the right joystick. This allows you to control the pitch, roll and thrust rudder on the Y-axis. Also included is the buttons for firing the weapons, and you have the ability to adjust the resistance of the joystick. On the right joystick, you will also find a switch to swap between PC and Xbox. Next, let's take a look at the throttle to the left. It has a clear central position which allows you to make instantaneous corrections on the fly. As you can imagine, this is super handy. It has buttons conveniently located to allow you to strafe left or right. All in all, if you are in the market for an above entry-level flight controller, I would highly recommend you check this out. The buttons have a good tactile feel, overall quality feels great, and if you are a fan of flight simulation or flight games in general, you will enjoy this. Shout out to my buddy Ryan for letting me unbox this gaming controller. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends and consider subscribing. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm TJ and I will catch you on the next one.